Still loading. Okay, so YouTube is on. And let's see. I have Mr. Batchelor in front of me. Mr. Batchelor, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God? Can't hear a word you're saying. I think your computer is muted. Can you get a bailiff or a deputy to unmute the computer if you don't know how?
There we go.
Okay, let's do it again. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see my screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is your name Dion Batchelor?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Dion Batchelor who in this cause number 2024 CC 738515, who in this cause number is charged with the offense of criminal trespass of property? Is that you?
Yes.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
On my screen now, I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you've signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes.
And do you understand it? I didn't hear the answer.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me sign this document 1 minute. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, sir.
And you understand that on the plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 26 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. O'Donnell?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Batchelor?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Batchelor, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 26 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Is this the only case holding your client, Mr. O'Donnell?
I believe so, yes, Your Honor.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. All right? Good luck to
Yes,
you,
sir.
Mr. O'Donnell. Thank you. You can be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Judge. I'm still waiting. The only two we're waiting for is Abe Garza and Jaime Altapi on the first page on Mendoza and Avila.
Okay.
I'm calling them now, Judge. See if
Okay, and I
can-
still don't have any paperwork on my screen at all for any of the
Bonds, okay. Okay,
bonds.
good.
Can you call them and see what's going on with them?
Put my hammy.
I'm going to mute the Alexander's iPad. Okay, and I'm going to take us off LightTube so I can talk more about Europe. But you're not excused. Sorry.